Hi, my name is Ajit Oswal. I'm from Pune. I've done price action course and advanced price action course from Smart Trading Academy. The experience has been very good and excellent. Sir has covered so many topics which I did not see in other classes which I've attended. The concepts and how to shortlist stocks and everything has been excellent. How to trade, wow! I mean, hats off to you, sir. I've never seen like no other class have ever taught me how to trade basically or how to take your trades. Sir has covered that in a very excellent way, and because of which I've been able to make consistent money. It's almost like you can say 3 to 5 thousand per day. Uh, and yes, it has been like a good experience from his tuitions, from his course. And after the course also, the support has been incredible by sir. Thank you so much, sir, for helping us out. Thank you.
It's not a game, it's a rap.